rolling, huh? Today we roll into Oak Cliff to check out a Nissan. It's either a Nissan Maxima or a Nissan Murano, one of the two. But it's having some suspension noises and some noises that it shouldn't make. So I'm gonna just give it a multi-point inspection to make sure it's good. I-35 South is like one of my favorite dangerous highways to travel on in the morning or at night or really anytime. There's a lot of stuff always going on. Pretty nice neighborhood too. Ooh, house for sale. That's the one.
I'll just kind of go slow. Think you'll hear. But then if not, you know, if you need to get on 67 or go down Hampton,
Okay.
you'll start kind of feeling what I'm talking about.
Yeah, and it's like a vibration on the passenger side, or?
Man, it's been on this side, but like last night when I come to the house, it felt like it's almost trying to go across. Like the steering wheel ain't shaking, but you'll feel like it.
Could be hub bearings. Yeah, I'm gonna take it on the freeway.
Yeah, my cousin like to be rotor, wheel bearings, axle.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what's Guan's on. Control arms are good. It might just be original suspension parts and it's all just slowly wearing out. And now it's just starting to be noticeable. Because I hear some subtle suspension knocking and maybe some sway bar link bushings just slightly worn out. The hub bearings seem fine. Also needs a wheel alignment too. Just a little bit off. Yeah, I can kind of feel this right side being a little more worn out than the driver's side. Kind of feel like just a little play in all directions. Seems like it has a mind of its own. Oof. It's the original struts and they look like they're leaking too. I'm looking at the bottom of the boot. Sheesh. Got them terminals clean. That's much better. Brakes at like 30%. Not bad though. Front brakes are good. Yeah, so we mainly just need just some new shocks in the front. We're gonna get those ordered. It's gonna be a repair for a later day. It's National Burrito Day, so I'm about to try a burrito from a new spot. Let's see, we out here in, I think this is Bishop Arts District, South Dallas, maybe Oak Cliff. I don't even know the name of the restaurant or anything. Let's see. Is that it right there? That's not the one. Oh shit, that is a La Popular though. They got those in Abilene. I think it's on the right. Let's see. That's the one. I think that's the one. Or is it this one? No, it's that one. La Luna.
¿En qué estabas pensando, Pedro? Contéstame ya.
All these sauces are really good. They got the music really loud in the back in the kitchen, so I know my food gonna be busting. This burrito is really, really good. Everything has its own flavor. That was bussin'. Bussin', bussin'. Yo, that was really, really good. Definitely going back there. I want to see what their tacos like. And they might have some micheladas. Yep. Definitely got micheladas. I'm going to try one of them. It's too early for that. Or is it? It's 5 o'clock somewhere.